Warehouse operations can often feel like a never-ending challenge. From inventory management to shipping logistics, it's easy for things to spiral out of control without the right strategy. In today's video, we'll cover key tips to help you optimize your warehouse operations effectively and take your business to the next level. Let's get started. The first step to optimizing warehouse operations is to organize your space efficiently. Keep frequently picked items near the front and less used inventory further back. This simple tip alone can significantly cut down on travel time and boost productivity. Next up is streamlining your inventory management process. Regularly performing inventory counts ensures you always know what's in stock, preventing overselling or stockouts. One effective way to streamline this process is by utilizing advanced inventory software with barcode scanning capabilities. And that's where Cleverence comes in. Cleverence is a versatile software solution designed specifically for data collection terminals. It features a built-in barcode scanner, making inventory counts, receiving, and shipping operations faster and more accurate. With its user-friendly interface, it integrates seamlessly into your existing warehouse workflow, helping you avoid human errors and keeping your operations running smoothly. Whether you're dealing with bulk shipments or managing single-item orders, Cleverence simplifies the process, providing real-time updates and boosting overall warehouse efficiency. Training your staff on how to efficiently use your warehouse tools and software is equally important. When everyone knows the right procedures, from using barcode scanners to operating inventory software like Cleverence, daily operations become much more efficient. Lastly, using data analytics for continuous improvement is key. Cleverence not only aids in real-time tracking, but also provides valuable insights into your warehouse operations. Analyzing this data can help you identify areas for improvement, like optimizing stock placement or reducing picking errors. Optimizing warehouse operations might seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies and tools in place, it becomes much more manageable. By organizing your space, streamlining inventory management, leveraging the power of software like Cleverence, and training your staff effectively, you're setting your warehouse up for success. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What challenges do you face in optimizing your warehouse operations? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell